I'm now going to fit the Gaussian data again, but this time I'm going to use a subrange of the data. Then we'll extrapolate the fit outside of the selected subrange. Select the Graph Show Info menu item. This appends the Cursor Info panel to the bottom of the graph. Place cursor A, the round one, on the trace. You can do this by clicking on the cursor, holding the mouse button down, and dragging the cursor onto the graph. Note that the cursor A icon on the dock is now black. This indicates that cursor A is selected, and that it will move if you use the arrow keys or the slider on the dock. Move cursor A to point number 14 using the arrow keys. Then click on the cursor A icon to deselect it. Now place cursor B on the graph and use the arrow keys to move it to point number 42. Your graph should now look like this. Select the Analysis Quick Fit menu and make sure that the Fit Between Cursors item is checked. Then click on Gauss to fit the data. Notice that the curve only describes the data between the cursors. Now we want to extend the fit over the entire X range while only fitting to the data between the cursors. This option is only available in the Curve Fitting dialog. Select Analysis Curve Fitting and then click the Function and Data tab. Select Gauss from the Function pop-up menu. Select Fake Y from the Y Data pop-up menu and Fake X from the X Data pop-up menu. Next, click the Data Options tab and click on the Cursors button in the Range area. Click the Output Options tab. Check the X Range Full Width of Graph checkbox. Also, check to be sure that the destination wave is set to auto. Then click Do It. Then click OK to close the Curve Fit Status window. IGOR performed the curve fit with the selected data between the cursors and extrapolated the fit to cover all the points on the graph. All of this happened automatically because we set the Fit Destination wave in the Curve Fitting dialog to Auto. The Fit Destination wave, which IGOR automatically names Fit Fake Y, is just an IGOR wave scaled to the desired range of X values, which we set with the checkbox X Range Full Width of Graph. To return to the fit between the cursor values, select Analysis Quick Fit Gauss. Your graph should now look like this. If we want to extrapolate the fit trace to all the data after the fit has been performed, we can do it manually without redoing the curve fit. Select the Data Change Wave Scaling menu item. If the More Options button is available, click it. From the Set Scale Mode pop-up menu, select Start and End. Double-click the Fit Fake Y in the Waves list. This reads in the range of X values into the Start and End fields. Change these numbers to 1 and 8. Then click Do It. Your graph should now look like this. At this point, we need to reevaluate the fit output wave using the new X values. You can do this by executing a wave assignment statement from the command window. Click on the command window to bring it to the front. Click on the line that begins Fit Fake Y. Then press Enter to copy it to the command line. Press Enter again to execute the statement. Bring the graph window to the front. The fit trace should now extend from 1 to 8. In the next tutorial, I will demonstrate how to append a fit to this graph.